where sustainable energy is no longer a choice, but a necessity, at DZP, we are proud to be the trusted guardians of wind power, ensuring the smooth operation of wind turbines across Europe and beyond. Our highly skilled teams operate in diverse environments, from the windswept coastlines of Northern Europe to remote areas around the world. Using the latest technology and precision engineering, we monitor, inspect, and maintain your assets, ensuring they perform optimally throughout their life cycle. At DZP, we believe in a future powered by clean energy, and we are here to make that future a reality. We bring global expertise with a local touch, ensuring that your wind turbines harness the power of the wind wherever they are, with operations across Europe and a growing presence worldwide, powering the future, one rotation at a time.